Hello, I'm Jessie, your AI guide for today. In this video, I will be discussing hormone replacement therapy. Wondering if hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, might be right for you? Hormone replacement therapy is designed to restore hormone levels to their optimal balance. This can improve overall well-being and address various symptoms caused by hormonal imbalances. Like weight fluctuations, sleep issues, hot flashes or night sweats, hair changes, skin problems, and decreased libido. Every person is unique, and so is their HRT plan. Your doctor will carefully evaluate your medical history, current symptoms, and lab results to determine if hormone therapy is the right option for you. HRT may be beneficial if you're experiencing symptoms like low energy, changes in mood, or other signs of hormone imbalance. It's all about addressing your body's specific needs. If you're curious about HRT, the next step is to reach out to our clinic. Our providers will work with you to find the best solution for your health and goals. Text or call 866-310-6367 and one of our representatives will schedule your telehealth consultation at the soonest availability. I am Jessie at Innovative Men's Health. We look forward to hearing from you. Keep going.